Today we are going to hunt germs from our body to keep ourselves clean and neat. So how can we hunt germs from our body? By following 5 easy steps. Okay? By following 5 easy steps, we can keep ourselves clean and neat. So what are they? First one, brushing our teeth. So we use brush and paste to brush our teeth. We have to brush 2 times a day. Next, taking bath. We use soap to take a bath. Next, after bathing, we have to wear clean clothes. Next, combing our hair. We use comb to comb our hair. Next, cutting our nails regularly. So these are the 5 habits that hunt germs from our body. Shall we repeat the routines? Brushing our teeth, taking bath, wearing clean clothes, combing our hair and cutting our nails. One more time. Brushing our teeth, taking bath, wearing clean clothes, combing our hair, cutting our nails. So this will hunt all the germs from our body and keep ourselves clean and neat. Thank you.